In this video, we will learn how to use approximate match in VLOOKUP functions. So this is the percentage score for student Bob, and this is the grade table. So this says any percentage score greater than or equal to 0 but less than 45% is grade F. So any percentage score greater than or equal to 45% but less than 55% is E. Like that, any score greater than or equal to 85% is grade A. So let us construct the VLOOKUP formula to find the grade of Bob, who scored 44.56%. So we'll use VLOOKUP function. So lookup value is this and lookup array is this. We have to find the grade. I'll use absolute reference by pressing function key F4. Then you have to print the second column from the array as that shows the grade. So always we use false, exact match, but there is no exact match for 44.56 here. So here, if we use exact match false, it will throw error. So let us use exact match false and see, it will throw error. So instead of that, I will use, I'll remove this, use approximate match. So I'll select true and see what happens. So it printed F. So 44.56 is greater than 0% but less than 45%. So the grade is F. So if I give 46% as score, so the grade will be E because it is greater than 45% but less than 55%. So if I use 76%, so grade will be B because it is greater than 75% but less than 85%. Now if I give 92%, it will print grade A because it is greater than 85%. So I can use the same in using XLOOKUP formula. So here let me construct XLOOKUP formula using approximate match. So lookup value is again 92%. Lookup array is the first column in this. I'm using absolute reference by pressing F4. Return array is the grade, using absolute reference by pressing F4. And message if not found, so I'm ignoring that. And here is the approximate match. I'm going to use -1, exact match or next smaller item. So I'm using -1. See, it printed the same grade. Let's try again with 44.56%. So it's showing both are showing F. Then 76%, both are showing grade B, and 95% showing A. And if I type the exact value 85%, it will show A, and 84.99 it will show B.
That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please click on like button if you find the information I shared useful, and update comments. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notified about new videos which I will post in future.